Good evening, Putte. Good evening, everybody. Please keep your camera switch on. Hello. Hi, Matisha. What happened to your netball tournament? Matisha. We have Lakmin. Lakmin, are you a newcomer?
Teacher.
We won!
You won. Wow, I'm happy for you. Right.
We won.
Hi.
In
Hi,
the
Rishni. Rishni is there. Suisna and Osand. What about the others? Still others didn't join, right? Maimuna and the other one, they didn't join. We'll start the class till they join. Hi, Lakmin. Lakmin, we have started our class from last December, right? December, January, almost I have covered 2 months. මාස දෙකක් දැනට කවර් කරලා තියෙනවා. හරිද? ඒ හැම දෙයකටම අදාළ රෙකෝඩින්ග්ස්, ඒ හැම දෙයකටම අදාළ නෝට්ස් LMS එකේ පිළිවෙලට අප්ලෝඩ් කරලා තියෙනවා. පුතාට පුළුවන් පරණ රෙකෝඩින්ග්ස් බලලා පරණ නෝට්ස් ටික කවර් අප් කරගන්න. මොනවා හරි තියෙනවා නම් අඩුපාඩු මම ක්ලාස් එකේ අර අලුතෙන් එන හැම වෙලාවෙම කියන්න ගත්තොත් පුතේ මේ අපේ වෙලාව අපරාධනේ. ඒ නිසා I'll give you my personal number. If you have any doubts or you need any further explanation, give me a phone call. පුතා මට කෝල් එකක් දෙන්න අම්මිට කියන්න ටීචර්ට කෝල් එකක් දීලා කතා කරන්න කියලා. This is my personal number. Right? This is my personal number. So if you want to cover up earlier sessions, give me a phone call. I'll support you. මං පුතාට කියලා දෙන්නම්. මෙච්චර දවස් ටීචර් උගන්වපු lessons ටික කොහොමද cover කරගන්නේ? ඒ දේවල් අඩුපාඩු තියෙනවා නම් ඒවා කොහොමද හදාගන්නේ? ක්ලාස් එකේ දැනට කරන මේ section එකත් එක්කලා අපි කොහොමද continue කරන්න කියලා මම අම්මිත් එක්ක කතා කරන්නම්. අම්මිට කියන්න මේ ටීචර්ට මේ number එකට call එකක් දෙන්න කියන්න. weekdays වල 4ට කලින් call කරන්න කියන්න. weekends වල full day මට classes නැහැ. මේ මට call එකක් දෙන්න. Okay? weekdays වල 4 ඉඳලා 10 වෙනකන් ටීචර්ට classes තියෙනවා. ඒකට call කරන්න එපා. 10න් පස්සේ call එකක් මේ 10ට 4ට කලින් call කරන්නකො. 10ට පස්සේ call කරන්න එපා. morning to 4 o'clock. Till 4 o'clock you can call me. We can discuss about your earlier classes. හරිද? ටීචර්ගේ ක්ලාස් එකේ පිළිවෙලට රෙකෝඩින්ග්ස් තියෙනවා. LMS එකේ බලන්න date එකේ පිළිවෙලට රෙකෝඩින්ග්ස් දාලා තියෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ notes upload කරලා තියෙන එකේ පිළිවෙලට title එකයි date එකයිත් එක්කලා notes ටික තියෙනවා. පුතාට තියෙන LMS එකට join වෙලා recording එක බලනවා, note එක ගන්නවා, note එක complete කරලා teacher send කරොත් එහෙම teacher ඒක corrections හදලා දෙනවා. මේකේ මොන හරි doubt එකක් තියෙනවා නම් call එකක් දෙන්න. නැත්නම් WhatsApp එකට message එකක් දාලා අපි ඒ ටික cover කරගමු. හරිද? Clear? So you are doing English medium or Sinhala medium?
English medium.
That's great, because mostly in my class, most of the time I'm using Sinhala is happening in a very rare condition, right? So mostly we use English. When you can't understand or you need Sinhala translations, let me know, I will give that. But I prefer to conduct the class in English. Okay, mostly 98% we try to continue our classes in English medium, right? As a medium, as a language, we use English. But if you need my Sinhala translations, I'm good at Sinhalese as well. So මට කියන්න මම සිංහලෙන් ඒක explain කරලා දෙනවා. හරි.
Teacher.
Yes, Pute. Go ahead.
I moved into my new house.
You have, wow, that's great. Is this your new house?
Yes, there. Like it's for rent.
Okay.
For 2 years.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So earlier you were in a rental house. This is your own house or this is another rental house?
Well, earlier I was in an apartment. Now I'm in a rented house. Then we are going to build a new house or buy
Okay.
one.
Okay, congratulations. I wish very recently you will be able to move to your own shelter, right? Right.
Thank you.
Okay. So this lesson I have started last week. Today or tomorrow I will upload this document to your LMS, right? Today or tomorrow I will upload this entire documents to your LMS. You will be able to get these notes from there. Okay, right. Okay. So we have started this one. We talk about when we listen, we have to listen with purpose. We don't listen just, we are not becoming the passive listeners, right? We listen by giving the attention. අපි අවධානය දීලා තමයි යම් දෙයකට අහුම්කම් දෙන්න ඕනේ කියන එක. ඊට පස්සේ අපි I told you how to introduce yourself, right? How to maintain the record, how to create a rapport with the other person, with your eye contact and the body language, the way you speak, the starting, right? That one. Then we talk about, right? Extended dialogue script we did, right? I ask you to practice with your partner. When you ask the question, you should not ask the questions. You should not provide only the answer, but you have to continue asking a question. You have to end your answer with another question so that the other person will find comfortable to move with you, to talk with you, to converse with you. Yes or no? Remember, right? So when you are talking to a person, if he is asking the question, what is your name? Priya. Where are you from? Colombo. How old are you? 75. You are not going to provide answer in that way, right? Why am I'm not look like 75? I am 75. Just
No.
because I am 75, trust me. This just because of this filters, makeups and all. Otherwise I
Teacher,
look
this is live recording now. How is
Record-
that? We'll just
recorded because I am the only woman in the world who tells my age by adding extra ages. Most of the women, what they do, they reduce their age, right? When they are 45, they say they are 25. So I'm the only woman in the entire world who says that I'm 75. Oh, I'm always telling the people that I am 56. I start my career when I was 19, right? My mama teach කරන්න පටන් ගත්තේ මට හරියටම අවුරුදු 19. Then I was a very little girl, thin, පොඩි ගෑනු ළමෙක්නේ. When people ask how old are you, I'm telling them I'm 56. Call me amma, don't call me sister and all. Don't.
how many years did you do your career?
Hello. If you are smart, I'm the smartest, right?
I know.
I'm very good at numbers. So you are going. I'm 19 years old, and with my experience, you can calculate my real age. I'm not.
I
that
think your career for 18 years.
I'm not that stupid, right? I'm not that stupid. Leave it.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So when somebody asks the question, you provide the answer and you end your answer with another question so that the other person can continue. Okay. So where are you from? I'm from Dehiwala. May I know where are you from? Right? Then the other person will get an opportunity to continue the conversation. Understood, right? Okay, අපි මේ දේවල් කතා කරා last week එකේ. Did we discuss this classroom interactions as well? Huh? Did we discuss this classroom interactions as well?
I think no.
We did only this, meeting new classmates.
Meeting classmate.
Did we discuss these dialogues I'm asking? Extended dialogue scripts, did we do this one?
No.
We have to start from this point. So we
Yes.
completed up to this asking and answering naturally. Okay. Okay, right. We have to
We
start from this
started
point.
in
We have to start from this
asking
point,
and
right?
answering naturally.
Yeah, we have to start from this point. Extended dialogue scripts, right? So here, meeting a new classmate. Just imagine you are attending a hello Rishini or Sanda. Why I can't see you, Pita? Why you are invisible, invincible? Or Sanda, right? Meeting a new classmate. Hi, I don't think we have met before. I'm Dila. Hello, I'm Shalini. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Which school are you from? I'm from Vishakha College. I joined this last week. Oh, welcome. How are you finding the lesson so far? They are really interesting, especially the speaking activities, right? So when Asma Khalid is there, we'll see whether the Maimuna is accompanied with her.
Safia?
Asma Khalid and Maimuna lives in the same house.
Asma is Safia? Is Asma Safia?
Asma, Safia. Asma's sister, Safia and Maimuna. The entire family attend my class. Ahannuko. So you meet a person in your class and she or he is new to your class environment. Then the conversation you have with him. Maimuna, okay, here. Both are there. Maimuna, what happened last week, Buddha? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank God we have 4 pairs, right? So now,
Taking 9 students.
sorry,
9 students, not even.
no, including
No, with you.
I'm not a student, I'm the teacher of you, man. Right. Okay. So I'm going to put you into different breakout rooms, right? You should practice with your partner, and I'm going to take you back. Then you have to continue a conversation like you are attending somebody's class for the first time. You meet a friend. You meet a friend there, and the discussions you have. You can talk about your classes, your native places, your family backgrounds, but at least you should continue your conversation for a 1 to 2 minutes. It's not like, hi, how are you? Where are you from? I haven't seen you. I also didn't see you. Right? Thank you so much. We will meet next week. Not like that. It should be a very meaningful conversation. Right. I will put Lakmin and Zain together, Osanda and Matisha together, Rishni and Safia together. Safia, where is the Maimuna? Okay, I will. Safia, Osanda, keep the camera switch on quickly, Pita. I can't continue the class in this way. How many times I told you? Thank you. Right. Did you understand the task? Did you understand the task? Raise your hand if you have understood the task properly. Raise your hand. Yes, teacher, I got it. Raise your hand. Very good. Maimuna, do you understand what you have to do, Puta? No, because you were so late to the class, then how you can understand? Okay, I'm going to put Safia and Maimuna together. Safia, can you guide her? Safia can.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, right. Okay, now I'm going to pair you and you will receive a request to join the breakout room. Put your hands down. Everybody put your hands down. Who doesn't know how to join the breakout room? Raise your hand. Teacher, I don't know how to join the breakout room. Raise your hand if you don't know. If you don't know how to join the breakout room, 2 people don't know. Zain, you don't know. Okay, right. This is how it works, right? Now, after few minutes, you will receive a message on the screen. Priya Sarachandra has invited you to join breakout room. Click the accept button. Clear? Click the accept button. That's it. Then you will move to the breakout room. Okay? Understood? Understood? Lakmin got it? Suvisna, understood? You just receive a simple message. Priya Sarachandra has invited you to join breakout room. Accept.
Teacher,
Yeah.
excuse me, teacher.
Yes, baby.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Uh, I forgot. In the breakout room, who is the new student and who is the?
You can decide. No, you can decide. You can decide.
Okay.
You decide it very quickly. Otherwise, you are the new student. No, no, no. I can't be the new student. You can be the new student. I will be the new student. Not like that. Just quickly, without taking much time, decide. Okay, you are the new students. I am the existing one. We are going to practice because you will be given only 2 minutes to be in the breakout room. Breakout room is created within 2 minutes. It will automatically close, and you will move to the main session. So make sure without talking blah blah blah, without wasting time, continue your work. Ready? Everybody ready?
Teacher,
Right. Yes, Fateh, go ahead.
I log on a laptop.
Okay.
Then my mother is join a group.
Okay.
My father is don't join a group. My mother is working at hospital. Then I
No, you don't need the WhatsApp. You don't need the WhatsApp, but the message you will see through the Zoom application, Pata. Okay.
in chat room, in
No,
chat box.
not in chat box. Just it will pop up from your screen. You will get a message pop up message right now. Click accept button. Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Yeah. Give me 1 second. I'll change you. I'll put you to different groups. So we have to create 4 breakout rooms, and I will assign manually. Okay. And the room 1, I'll assign Maimuna and Safia. Breakout room 2, I put Lakmin and Osanda. Breakout room 3, I ask Matisha and Swisna. Right? Then the breakout room 4, Rishni is there. One person is missing. Who is that? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry.
Same.
Zain left. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Zain fast, join fast. Okay, I will create all the other groups. Who? Rishni, you just wait, Puta. You don't accept my message. You don't accept that message. You wait in the main session. We'll see. Zain there.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, right. Okay, now I create and I open all the groups. Please accept. Please accept. Then you can leave from here. Join that. Okay. Safia join. Okay, Lakmin. Okay. Puta, you join, darling. Rishni join. Okay, done. Good, very good.
Teacher,
Yes, Pute. Yes.
I
You wait in the group. Okay. You guys are ready? Swisna and
we
Matisha.
finished already.
Okay. Oh, you already prepared yourself. That's great. So you guys are room 3, right? Matisha
Yes.
and Swisna, you represent
Yes.
room 3, third room. Room 1, Maimuna, read පුතා ටක් ටක් ගාලා මට කියන්න. ඔයාලට පෙන්නනවද නෑනේ? Room 2, Lakmin and Osand.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, darling.
Linda and Dylan is good or bad?
Sorry?
Our Dylan is good or bad?
Which one?
Third, Matisha and
Yeah. Now only I am going to see. There you practice. Now we are going to perform. When you perform only, I will know what you are going to do. But how you have practice, because I was not in that breakout room, Pute. Your breakout room activity.
You can't see what. You can't see it. I thought that was the last try.
Wait, I'll close all these groups and right. I close all them. Why are you dancing?
A new dance. I mean, pole dancing.
Still, you didn't arrange the house?
No, teacher, I just brought all the stuff here. This is all my holdings right here. Then there's no books in here. There's only like half. Then there's my clothes. It's only like a bit, the essential ones only.
Okay. Today you moved?
Yes.
So it takes time to arrange things now.
Yes, teacher. We stayed in the apartment for 5 years, and we only had 5 years, and we had to give the key on March 31st.
Okay.
So we have lots of time.
Okay. So before 1 month you left the house.
Yes.
Okay. Otherwise,
Yes.
at the final time, you can't find a place.
Yes.
I'm also like moving from place to place, shifting house creates mess, right?
What? Why, teacher? Are you moving? Are you moving again?
I know I'm living in Dehiwala, right?
Yeah.
So in Dehiwala, I don't have my own house.
Apartment?
Yes.
So, like, it is at your own house, teacher?
No. I'm in under the rental agreement.
Hmm.
Right. Okay. Everybody came. I hope. Right. Now we will see. Let me take you on screen first of all.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, baby.
Teacher Lakmin and Osanda couldn't create a dialogue because there was an internet issue.
They had an internet issue because you don't want to read this script with this is just a sample. I don't want you guys to repeat this. I don't want you guys to take anything from here. I saw this one. I showed you this one as a sample, not to take this one as a model and by heart and present. I don't want. You just speak from your heart. Ask the question that you want. What happened to the Lakmi? Where is Lakmi? Hello, Lakmin. Be innovative. Hi, Lakmin. Keep the camera the way I can see your entire face, Putta. I can see on. Okay, now perfect. Lakmin, what happened, darling?
10 people.
10 people. That's mean this is another device of mine. This one, smart screen. I joined
Teacher,
through. Sorry.
why do you have another device?
I'm joining through the this one is my smart screen because I want you to take you guys on screen. Otherwise,
Then do you automatically become the host?
no,
from-
I have to. I have to make the. I have to give the co-host.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
yeah, I have to make my device as the co-host. Right? Who is going to present for the first time? And the Matisha and Suvisna. I think that's better because they are the one who complete their task. Okay, and the Matisha. Right now, okay, right. You can start your conversation. Go ahead.
Hello, are you new? Yes, of course. Are you a student in this class? Yes, I came about 1 year ago. So, when did you join the class? I joined this class in last week. What's your name? Teacher, I can't hear Matisha.
Because Matisha is having a bad network connection, we'll wait for few minutes. She will come back. She got stuck
Miss
somewhere.
Matisha, what about your name? My name is Suishna. Are you in grade 6? No, I'm in grade 7. Did you do the homework last week? Yeah, I forgot the one homework. Don't worry, I will help you. Which question is it? Write a paragraph from write a 10 sentences In myself. No.
About
my
myself.
school. Don't worry. First I need to know about you to help you to write about this. So let's get started. Okay. Thank you, Matisha. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. You are really friend in my life. Thank you. Same to you as well.
That's very nice. That's very nice. Very good. Very spontaneous. And you know that when you are doing the speaking activities, sometimes you make grammar mistakes. Don't worry about that. I'm not going to pinpoint, Puta, here you made the mistakes. This place should be corrected. No, I am not going to tell that. First of all, first thing you have to speak. Making mistakes can acceptable, totally acceptable. With time, you will understand that your mistakes and you will correct it by yourself. If as a teacher I try to correct you each and every point, when you speak you are going to think, is it correct or is it right or wrong? Do I want to use as or in? Is it because or but? So lot of confusions. Because of that reason, I will not correct each and every mistakes while you are doing your speaking activities. Okay, I encourage you to speak while making mistakes. Even mistakes are welcomed in my class, because first thing you should converse with the other person, you should express yourself, right? Then after that we can correct our mistakes while learning grammar and all the structures, rules, we can correct our grammars. But while we are practicing, we have to work towards our fluency. අපිට ටක් හොඳට කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. Right. Very good. So I really like the questions, and I really like the way Suisna answered. Her answers were not the ended questions, right? Right? They were not closed questions, they were open-ended questions. She created the path so that the Matisha could continue her conversation easily. Right? I really appreciate that one. Very well done, na? Very well done. Good job, Matisha and Suisna. We'll move to another couple. That is,
Thank you, teacher.
you're welcome, baby.
Thank you, teacher.
Maimuna and Safia. Good. Go ahead. Maimuna and
Hi,
Safia.
how are you? Are you new to this class?
Yes, I am new.
When did you join this class?
I joined today.
Oh, really? Were you here yesterday?
No.
Well, today we have some assignments due in multiple subjects.
Maimuna, go ahead.
Really, I didn't.
It's okay, I can show you my assignments. You can copy them.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, right. Okay, so I don't want to criticize, but you know, Maimuna, the answers you gave were close-ended question, right? Closed questions, then what? Closed answers. What happened? Safia find difficult to continue her conversation. Yes or no? So when you
Teacher,
provide,
because she wasn't listening.
she was.
you gave the time to learn, I was asking her, like, shall we make sentences? But she didn't listen, teacher.
She was not listening to you. Hereafter, I am not going to put you two into a one pair. I will put you to separate groups. Okay. So I thought like you both are in the same house and you will create an amazing couple. But now I can understand. I have put මොකද කියන්නේ මේ mongoose and the cobra into one room. Right? They have been fighting inside the room without doing the activity. Now only I can understand. Nandammai Leli wage ඇතුළට රණ්ඩු වෙලා ඉඳලා තියෙනවා. Right? Like a mother-in-law and the daughter-in-law, they have been fighting inside the room without doing the activity. That's what I could understand. Okay, Lakmin, here we go. Lakmin and Osanda. We'll see what they have done. Go ahead.
Hi, are you new one to our class?
Yes, I am a new one to our class.
My name is Osanda. What is your name?
My name is Lakshmi.
Where are you in Kila?
How old are you?
I'm 12 years old. How old are you, Lakshmi?
I am 11 years old. Where are you from?
I'm from Kegol. Where are you living, Lakshmi?
I am from Kegol too.
Did you watch past recording of our class?
Not yet.
You won't watch them because you can understand the lessons well.
Okay, thank you.
You welcome. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Okay, very good. Very good. Because we will improve step by step, right? Step by step, we will improve. And after that, I'll tell you how to extend your answers, right? Extend your answers. For an example, Osanda asked, did you watch the recordings? Then Lakmin said, no. Lakmin can say, I didn't watch the recording because I didn't know. මම රෙකෝඩින්ග්ස් බැලුවේ නැහැ. හේතුව මොකද්ද? මට දන්නේ නැහැ රෙකෝඩින්ග්ස් ගැන. Because I had no time. මට වෙලාවක් තිබුණේ නැහැ. No කියන එකට මොනවාද කරන්න පුළුවන්? You can add some extra information. Then you become a fluent speaker. Understood? එහෙමයි ඔය ඉංග්‍රීසි එකේ තියෙන චූටි ක්‍රමවේදයක්. This is a small method inside that. Right? So when you elaborate your answers, when you extend your answers, eventually you become a fluent speaker. අපි අර කියන එක yes no තනි වචනේ උත්තර දෙන්නේ නැතුව පොඩ්ඩක් එකට එකතු කරලා details දෙනකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? නිකම්ම අපිට ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙනවා. Understood? So make sure when you provide the answer, add something. මම අද කියලා දෙනවා කොහොමද ඒක add කරන්න කියන එක ගැන අපි කතා කරනවාද? Right. Then we'll move. Thank you so much, Lakmin. Thank you so much, Osanda. Especially Lakmin, as the newcomer, he has taken the responsibility, he has taken the challenge and face it very successfully. I'm really happy about you. So every day, without hesitation, take the challenges, take the activities, try your best. Okay, try your best. හැමදාම දෙන activity එකට තමන්ට පුළුවන් තරම් උපරිමෙන් try කරලා කතා කරන්න කට අත්හැරලා කතා කරමු පොතේ ලියනවට වඩා අපි අපේ practice එක හදාගමු. Right? We are not trying to fill our books with notes. We are trying to get that skill to ourselves. Right? Okay, right. And we'll move to the Rishni. And Rishni's partner is Zain, as I remember. Yes. Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Rashni. I'm from. Are you new to this school? I haven't seen you in grade 7 section.
Yes, I'm in school. I'm
Are you in English medium classroom?
Yes, I am in Are you posting?
Yes, I'm also in English medium classroom. What's your name?
My name is Lady.
My name is Rishni. And where are you from? I'm from Bennapur. Do you have any friends? Have you done your past? Have you watched your past recordings of our classroom? If you want any help, I'm in 7A classroom. I'll be here to help you.
Okay, that's my So the last
Teacher, I can't hear
Yes, I can
anything.
understand. I can understand, and I was observing how maturedly you are tackling the situation. You couldn't understand any question of him, but like you understand his question, you replied. It's very nice, right? You handled the situation very nicely because they you have a bad network connection, same as your elder sister. Whenever she is doing the presentation, yes, this network connection creates a lot of troubles. The same thing happened today as well. And how this little girl handle it in a very wise manner. Hari lasan dia ay handle kara mangi kai balang iti. This is how you want to do it, right? You don't know what type of problems you are going to face in your life. නේද? අපිට life එක හරිම smooth විදිහට හම්බ වෙන්නේ නැහැ. You don't get your life as a flower bed, right? You face challenges, you have a lot of troubles, hindrance, barriers, so you have to face everything. බලන්න Zain pen එකේ රුපියල් 50ක් connect කරගෙන ඉන්නේ. So the pen is connected to the 50 bucks. For what, Zain? To show us that you are coming from well-to-do family. අපේ ගෙවල් වල pan teacher සල්ලි තියෙන්නේ. You just come and see, here and there you will see the money. Even we decorate the pens with money. Right? Don't talk about our network connection. That is another story, but we have money. Is that so? Zain? Right. Okay. So we'll remove this spotlight and we'll come back to the lesson. Zain, thank you so much, Zain, and thank you so much, Rishni, for doing your presentation. We'll move to the lesson and see. I have given some sample dialogues, right? Different dialogues I have given. Classroom interactions, casual daily conversation, asking for help politely, online class situations, likewise I have given you 5 scenarios. I have given you 5 scenarios. I can't practice everything inside the class. Ask your mama. Ammita නිකන් ඉන්න දෙන්න එපා. Ammi, you be my partner. I am going to talk with you කියලා අම්මි වල්ල ගන්න. නැත්තම් ආච්චිව හරි අල්ල ගන්න. If your grandmama is there, if you have brothers or sisters,
That doesn't know English, no.
teach them. Teach them. So you
Oh,
yeah.
smart idea.
You tell
Smart
your,
idea.
you tell your father, don't watch the television, come, we'll practice English.
My father knows English.
You tell your father,
Mother doesn't.
Appa, Tati, stop using mobile phone, keep the mobile phone aside, we'll practice, come. You be my partner, I am your friend, you are my friend, we will practice English. Come, let's go. කියලා එකගෙන ගිහලා practice කරා. අම්මි බලයි අම්මෝ හොඳ වැඩේ. ගොඩාක් දවසකින් තාත්තිව ෆෝන් එක නැතුව බැලුවේ ඇති යාන්තම් කියලා. එතකොට ගෙදර ඉන්න ඔක්කොම ළමයි මගේ ක්ලාස් එකට දානවා. Right? තාත්තිය එතකොට ගේ අතෑරලා
I will take my mother to teacher's class, so I'll teach my mother.
තාත්ති will leave the house very soon. හරි අපි යමුකෝ. ඔන්න බලන්න ලැන්ග්වේජ් එකේ පුතාලගේ ලැන්ග්වේජ් වල මම මේකට එන්න කලින් මේ ග්‍රැමර් එකට යන්න කලින් මම යනවා මෙන්න මේකට. your background, your advanced listening skills. මට මේ listening එකට යන්න කලින් මට දැම්මා listening scripts දෙකක් මම දාලා තියෙනවා. We are going to practice it. So developing natural fluency. I need this section, right? So how you can improve your fluency? කොහොමද පුතේ මේ කතා කරන එක දියුණු කරගන්නේ? Fluent speakers do not speak in isolated sentences. What do you mean by isolated tani sentences? I live in Colombo. I have a brother. I like chocolate. They don't speak like that. They combine their other ideas. They link the expressions when they want to say, right? When they want to say something, they combine ideas together. Link කරලා තමයි කතා කරන්නේ. ඔසන්ද. And they use the fillers. Right? The natural thinking poses and smooth transitions. I'll teach you the linking expressions, fillers and smooth transitions. I'll teach you by giving examples. බලන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලාම කොහොමද අපි use කරන්නේ linking expressions. These are the linking expressions. For an example, what is your hobby? What are the hobbies you have? I watch television. I love cooking. In addition to that, I do handcrafting as well. මේකත් කරනවා. In addition to that mean what? ඊට අමතරව. What do you mean by in addition to that? ඊට අමතරව. You can write the topic list. Developing natural fluency. Write down useful linking. So the fluent speakers. There are okay. Developing natural fluency. Number 1, useful linking expressions. That is first one. In addition to that, ඊට අමතරව. Right? Right? Write the main topic and this one, right? So you take the notes. When, if it is possible, try to write all the notes. If not, these places keep it blank. When you receive the original document, fill it. ඔයාලට ඕන තැන්වල අර උවමනා ටික ලියාගන්න, ඉතුරු ටිකට හිස් තැන් තියන්න. මේ ડોකියුමන්ට් එක මම පුළුවන් අදම දාන්නම්. පුතාලා මේ ડોකියුමන්ට් එක බලලා හිස් තැන් පුරව ගන්න. හැබැයි මම එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරනකොට චූටි ෂෝට් නෝට් එකක් ගන්න. මොකද අර ඔයාලට සිංහල එක්ස්ප්ලනේෂන් මේකේ මොකද්ද තේරුම කියන දේ දන්නේ නැතුව ලියලා වැඩක් නැහැනේ. Because of that reason. In addition to that, මීට අමතරව take your notes, right? Take your notes, study properly, listen to my explanation. In addition to that, make sure you revise these lessons again and again. මං කියන දේ අහන්න, notes ලියාගන්න, ඊට අමතරව revise කරන්න. You have to do the revision. Lakmin, who is that? Who is next to you?
My mom teacher.
Your mother. Then you have a partner. Keep your mama nearby. Ask her to learn the lesson with you. Then you have the practice partner. පාඩ විවරණ ගමන් අම්මිව අල්ලගන්න අම්මිත් එක්කලා ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරා.
Teacher,
Yes, Pate.
I am home alone,
You're home alone.
like the movie.
Okay. So you be in front of the mirror, practice with you.
I am scared of mirrors
Why?
at night.
Because you didn't comb your hair. You comb your hair, then you will look nice. Then you don't want to
I
scare.
forgot to bring my comb. It is at my apartment. I forgot to bring it.
You don't have a comb. I thought so. I was thinking like, okay, these people have changed the house. This girl couldn't find the comb. That's why she's with her messy hair. I already guessed that.
This is school hair. That's why it's so messy.
Messy.
Yes. Messi the football.
Yeah. Right. Once you finish, let me know. We will move to the next one. Have you done this one in addition to that? This one is done.
Can you wait a minute, teacher?
Can you make what? Can you wait a minute? Of course, yes, I can. Hi, Zaiza. That is not Aisha, right? That is. Hi, Asma. No, that is Hafsa. Hafsa? Is that Hafsa? Yes. Hafsa. Asma is in Maimuna's house. No? Safia?
Who is?
I am a family teacher. Right? So if one child join my class, the entire family joins.
Yes.
First of all, I have to pick only one. Then this younger sister comes, elder brother comes. Finally, I have the entire family inside my class. So Zain,
Except the parents.
yeah, Zain's elder sister is with me, younger sister is with me, right?
Teacher, my brother is also in the grammar class.
In which grade? Netum.
No, teacher, in 8th, 9th class.
What's his name?
Romain.
Romain. So he joined. He joined first and you followed him. Oh, first you came and after that he joined.
No, we both came in the same time.
Okay, same time. Sometimes only one person joined, then the entire family comes as a chain. Right. Shall I explain this one? On the other hand, like this. Right? I am a person who never watch TV programs. On the other hand, my husband is so fond of TV and social media. Totally different things. On the other hand, right? See, you see the who? Suvisna is a very innocent girl. On the other hand, Matisha, see, she is very mischievous. Totally different. Come and sit with you. Matisha, come and sit. Right? So on the other hand, we use on the other hand when you want to express something totally different. එකක් කියලා ඊට වඩා හාත්පසින් වෙනස්.
I'm a mysterious girl, teacher.
You are also mischievous.
Yeah, in my free time.
Okay. So in front of the camera, in front of your teachers, you like pretend you are an innocent one. All the other time you turn the house upside down. Is that so?
I do it at both of the times.
Okay.
In front
Yeah.
of the camera and
No any pretending. No pretenders. Right? Real.
even at school.
Even at school. Wherever I am, I show my originality. No double face, right? Okay, that's good. Right. This is on the other hand. As far as I am concerned, on a may ahanda the sentence, if somebody asks you, do you think Priyanka teacher's explanation, Priyanka teacher gives proper explanation? Do you think Priyanka teacher provides enough explanation? Then you can say, as far as I am concerned, yes, she does. Mata danna vidihata එයා කරනවා. As far as I am concerned, මම සලකන විදිහට, මට දැනෙන විදිහට, මට දන්න විදිහට. Right? So according to me, yes, she does. As far as I am concerned, right? As far as I am concerned, somebody asks you, do you think they should continue this examination system? As far as I am concerned, yes, definitely they should keep the examinations. Otherwise, we will stop revising our lessons. Right? Examinations is a must. According to me, I would say definitely yes. So now I am asking you to practice with your partner, putting you into the breakout room. It's a kind of examination, practical exam. No, again I ask you to present in front of me and I give you my opinion, my feedback. So you are facing practical examination. As far as I am concerned, examinations play a crucial role in students' education. මම නම් කියන්නේ exams ළමයිගේ ජීවිතේට තියෙන්න ඕන. හරිද? මොකද අපි ඔය exams නිසා තමයි අපි මේ තැනට ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ. තේරුණා නේද? So just because of the education I am here. Whatever the background I have created, just because of my education. මම නම් education කියලා කියන්නේ අධ්‍යාපනයේ විභාග ඔය හැම දෙයක්ම හරියටම ගරු කරන කෙනෙක් මම. මොකද අධ්‍යාපනය නිසා ඉස්සරහට ඇවිල්ලා අධ්‍යාපනය නිසා ජීවිතය කන්ටිනියු කරගෙන යන පුද්ගලෙක් තමයි මම. When we were in the school, right, we were waiting for the exams to get the marks, to calculate the total, to see our position, right, to calculate our average. We were waiting for that. හරිද? ඒ නිසා තමයි අද අපි මෙහෙම ඉන්නේ. ඒ නිසා මම නම් කියන්නේ exams as far as I am concerned, මම දන්න විදිහට, මම හිතන විදිහට, මට තේරෙන විදිහට අපි කියන අදහස. Lakmin understood the meaning of this one as far as I am concerned?
Yes, teacher.
Then how does Lakmin මගෙන් අහනවා, teacher, am I a good boy or a bad boy? As far as I am concerned, you are a very nice guy. මට දන්න විදිහට නම් අනේවා හොඳ දරුවෙක්. As far as I am concerned. Next one, from my point of view. Mage point of view එක මගේ අදහසට අනුව, according to from my point of view, somebody asked me, teacher, what do you think? Is it okay if the school force children to attend school with their uniform? Right? Right? So from my point of view, yes. Uniform is the uniqueness you maintain in the school. There are children coming from well-to-do families and some of them are finding difficult to attend the school. So in the same classroom, when one child is wearing the branded clothes and stylish clothes, the other one is wearing the same clothes every single day, they find difficult to continue their studies in such uncomfortable situation. Right? So, if you have a uniform, no matter how rich you are, no matter how poor you are, you have to wear the same dress code to the school. Then you can maintain the unity in the school. එකම වගේනේ හැමෝම එන්නේ. එතකොට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැනේ. Then from my point of view, yes, I would say children should attend school with their uniform. Right? So from my point of view, to be honest, ඇත්තම කිව්වොත්, right, I ask you, පුතා, am I look beautiful or ugly? To be honest, teacher, you are ugly, but what to do, we like you. හරිද? අවංකයෙන්ම කිව්වොත්, to be honest, you are ugly. What to do? You are a teacher, no? So we accept you. ඔයා කැතයි තමයි. ඉතින් කමක් නැහැ මොනවා කරන්නද? අවංකවම කිව්වොත් කැතයි. පවුනේ. ඉතින් ඔයා පව් කියලා අපි චුට්ටක් ඔයාට ආදරෙන්
In real life, teacher is very beautiful.
sorry.
In real life, you are beautiful.
Because I have a beautiful heart, you know.
And a beautiful smart brain. 2000 IQ earlier.
Right. Yeah. So, right, to be honest, avankama kiwa. To be honest, Maimuna is very mischievous. Arida? Attarama kiwa, she is very mischievous. Right? Maimuna looks like she is innocent, but to be honest, she is the mischievous one in the world. That reminds me, okay, you say that you know something, yesterday we went out and my mother bought me lasagna. She bought me a lasagna. Oh, really? That reminds me my last Valentine celebration. For our last Valentine celebration, we made a lasagna. Right? That reminds me. ඒක මට මතක් කරලා දෙනවා. Right? That reminds me. Speaking of which, I should say that what qualities we should add to there. හරි. මෙන්න මේක ටික ලියා ගන්නකො පුතේ. Write down this one.
All.
Write down quickly.
All. Teacher, I wrote it down.
Yeah. Please do it.
I wrote these.
Only
useful linking expressions, teacher.
Puta.
Only useful linking expressions.
Only useful linking expressions. Yes, only that.
Teacher, I wrote them all. I wrote this all.
That's good. We'll move to the other one.
Okay. Teacher,
Yes, Puta.
I have one question.
Go ahead.
You have to be honest.
To be honest, of course, yes, I will.
You sure?
Yeah, of course.
Am I loud?
Sometimes, but it is not that disturbance because you are. It is not. I don't take it as a negative thing, but that's good.
Okay. Thank you for answering.
Okay. Puta, did you write? Did you understand everything? What about, have you understood all the expressions here? Have you
Yes,
understood?
teacher.
Okay. This one, speaking of which, that one as well?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, give me one example. Speaking of which?
Speaking of which,
Yeah.
so we have to make a exam. That means first we had to make a sentence, put it in the middle, and use the other one.
For
Like
an
three.
example, Rishni tells me, Tisha, I love Bollywood movies. I love Bollywood movies. Then I would say, speaking of which, do you know Shah Rukh Khan? Right? Okay, so then speaking of which means when somebody speak about one topic, you want to bring the continuation there, then you can say speaking of which. Since we are talking about this, you know this one. Anne wage. Okay, so I would say like this: I love cooking. I enjoy preparing meals. Kela mama kiwot. Then the Lakmin says, speaking of speaking of which, are you good at preparing Indian food? Indian cuisines? Indian cuisines mean
Teacher.
Indian කෑම වර්ග, right? So ඔයාට උයන්න දන්නවා කියලා කියනවනේ. එහෙනම් ඒ කල ගැන කතා කරන නිසයි මම මේ අහන්නේ. what Indian කෑම හදන්න දන්නවද? තේරුණාද? speaking of which කියලා අහන්න පුළුවන්. Okay? So I do a lot of handworks. එතකොට තව එක්කෙනෙකුට කියන්න පුළුවන් speaking of which, do you use brand new materials or
Teacher.
discarded items? Oh, Pute. Yes, go ahead.
I made it. Okay. I love to write lots of paragraphs. In
Okay.
speaking of which, did you write those 150 word sentences that teacher gave you last
Yes.
week?
Yes. Like that. Yes, Pata. So it's now. Go ahead, Pute.
Can you explain it again?
Speaking of which,
Yeah.
okay, for an example, now Suisna tells me, my mother arranged the house. My mother always decorates the house, teacher. මගේ අම්මා හැමතිස්සෙම ගේ හැඩ කරන එකටමයි වැඩේ. ලස්සන කරනවා, අලංකාර කරනවා, සරසනවා. කියලා ඔයා කියනවා. එතකොට මම කියනවා, really? Speaking of which, your mama decorate the house with branded items or she use discarded items? සමහර අය ඉන්නව නේද ගෙදර විසික් කරන දේවල් අරගෙන දැන් ඔය මම නම් ගෙදරට පෙට්ටියක් හට්ටියක් ගේන්න බෑ මොනවා හරි බඩුවක් ගෙනහම පෙට්ටියක් හම්බුනා ලොකු පෙට්ටියක් හම්බුනොත් මොක කපලා මොනවා හරි විකාරයක් කරනවා, right? So when people come and see my house, they are like, how much is this? From where did you buy? I tell them, no, this is my son's old fan box. I have taken it, cut it to circle, pasted it with A4 papers. It doesn't cost even 100 rupees for me, but it looks grand, right? That's how I decorate my house. මගේ ගෙදර එහෙම ලොකු මේ expensive things නැහැ. I don't have expensive stuff, but I keep my house in a very beautiful way. There are some people, so speaking of which, then we are talking about the house decorations. එතකොට ඔයා කියන්න මොනවද? ඒක ගැන කතා කරනවා නම් speaking of which, right? Do you have enough space in your home? Are you living in a spacious house? Okay, ඒක ගැන කතා කරනවා නම් මෙන්න මේක ගැන කතා කරනවා. ඒ වගේ අර කතා කරන දේ ගැන relatedly, when you want to add extra details, you can say speaking of which, right? Since we are talking about this thing, will you tell me this one as well? අපි මේ මේක ගැනනේ කතා කරගෙන ඉන්නේ. එහෙනම් මට මේකත් කියනවද කියන අදහසයි දෙන්නේ. තේරුණාද සුවිස්නා? මේ දේවල් දැන් මම ඔන්න උගන්වනව නේද? If I teach you this one, next time when we are doing the speaking activities, you should apply them. නැත්නම් වැඩක් නැහැ. Next time when we are doing the lesson, when we are practicing the lesson, you should apply these utterances to your speaking part. එහෙම නැත්නම් මම මෙහෙම explain කරන එක තේරුමක් නැහැ. practice කළා ඔයාලා කතා කරනකොට දැන් අම්මිට ගිහිල්ලා කියන්න ඕනේ. අම්මි, my teacher gave me homework. I have history homework, science homework. In addition to that, my teacher gave maths homework as well. අන්න එහෙම කියන්න ඕන. තේරුණා නේද? Okay. Matisha can say, Amma, I couldn't find my comb and my books are here and there. In addition to that, you have kept my books. I couldn't find my books as well. තේරුණා නේද? Matisha, your microphone is unmuted.
අයියෝ.
Right? ඒවා use කරන්න ඕනේ. Next one, natural fillers. මෙන්න මේක හරිම වැදගත් තැනක්. ඇයි දන්නවද? ගොඩක් කට්ටිය when people are speaking English, what they do, මේ අහන්නකො I am a teacher at Guru Nivasa. I like English literature because I know that children, they have to improve their knowledge. Have you seen the people who speak English in that way?
Yes,
They
teacher.
use
Most of my class
all
students.
the time. දැකලා තියෙනනේ ඔයාලා when you also some people, most of the people, when they speak, they use because the words are not flowing. ටක් 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 ගාලා වචන ටික එන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ වෙලාවට මොනවද කරන්න පුළුවන්? You can use the natural fillers. Write down the topic, natural fillers. Osanda, why the microphone is mute? Camera is switched off. This Maimuna and this girl, why these people are always leaving? Maimuna and Safia.
Sophia. Oh.
They always do this.
Yeah.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yeah. Yes, Pata?
Teacher, what is the Sinhala word of speaking of which?
Speaking of which, මෙන්න මේ ගැන කතා කරන නිසා. At the moment we are talking about this. මේ අවස්ථාවේ අපි මේක ගැන කතා කරන නිසා.
Teacher, you need to write the topic and those words, no?
Sorry, පුතේ.
Do you need to write natural fillers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Done? So you can say like this, right? Somebody asks you a question, right? Somebody, Lakmin, I ask from you, Puta, do you know that nowadays people are talking about this financial crisis, economic crisis? What do you think about it? Economic crisis එක ගැන ඔයාට කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? Suddenly you don't know, right? Then you can say, well, according to my knowledge, I'm not that mature to talk about this economic crisis, teacher. එක පාටම අපිට උත්තරයක් එන්නේ නැහැ. එතකොට මොනවාද චුට්ටක් උත්තරයක් හදාගන්නකම් you can drag it like well කියලා පටන් ගන්න පුළුවන්. We call them as natural fillers. So with that you can hide your lagging parts. අර චුට්ටක් ඔයාලට create කරගන්නකම් එතන අඩුපාඩුව වහගන්න පුළුවන්. Actually කියන්න පුළුවන්. Actually you can use that, right? Do you know how to cook? Actually I'm not good at cooking, but my mama does. Right? She can cook very well. තේරුණා නේද? අන්න ඒ වගේ. එතකොට තව අපි හිතමු මෙහෙම, let me think. Do you have any suggestions for this project? මේ project එක ගැන මොනවාද වගේ suggestions තියනවද? Let me think something innovative. මට චුට්ටක් හිතන්න ඕනේ ගැන. Let me think. Right? Okay? අන්න ඒ වගේ. That's an interest. දැන් තව එකක් අහන්න හිතන්න මම අහනවා ඔයාලගේ what do you think about this education system? හරිද? What do you think about this education system? That's an interesting question, but I don't think I'm in a stage to answer that. තේරුණා නේද? මේ education system එක ගැන කතා කරන එක ඇත්තටම හරිම interesting topic එකක් තමයි. බබයි මහබයි මම ඒ ගැන කතා කරන වාතාවරණයක තාම නැහැ. That's an interesting question. එතකොට ඔයාලට පොඩ්ඩක් හිතන්න පුළුවන් ඒක ගැන. තේරුණානේ? Okay, so we call these things as natural fillers. ඔයාලට එක පාරටම question එකකට answer එක දෙන්න බැරි නම් මේ මොනවද අර මේ උගුඩුව වගේ මොනවා කියලා උගුඩුව වගේද? ඇටිකෙහෙල් බී කාපුවේ උගුඩුව වගේ මේවා
ඇටිකෙහෙල් නෑ. ඇටිකෙහෙල් කාපු උගුඩුවද?
අනේ මන්ද මොකා හරි මොනවා කාපු මොකා හරි වගේ ඉන්නේ නැතුව
ඇටිකෙහෙල් කාපු උගුරුව වගේ.
ඇටිකෙහෙල් කාපු උගුඩුව වගේ ඉන්නේ නැතුව
grade 6
සිංහල book.
හරිද?
grade 6
යා එහෙම ඉන්නේ නැතුව පොඩ්ඩක් මෙන්න මේවා ස්මාර්ට් වෙලා යූස් කරන්න ඕනේ. right? Well actually එහෙම නැත්නම් let me think. That's an interesting question, but I don't know the answer. හරිද? එන්න එහෙම කියන්න ඕන. තේරෙනවනේ? ඒක හොඳ ප්‍රශ්නයක් හැබැයි මට උත්තරේ දාන්න නැහැ. That is the problem. හරි. ඕන ලියාගත්තද? Have you already written these natural fillers? Yes.
yes teacher
We'll move to the expanding answers. Right? අපි දැන් බලන්න දැන් වෙලාව කීයද? මම යනවා expanding answer එක මම අද කරන්නේ නැහැ. I am going to give you a listening activity. මම ඔයාලට තියනවා මෙතන listening script එකකට අදාළ questions ටික. Okay, මේ මගේ script 1. Right? Write these questions quickly. Quick. This is the listening activity 1. Write down these questions super fast. Taggala liyagan. Quickly. Taggala liyagan.
Section A on
multiple choice and short answer no teacher
Yes. Multiple choice question, 2 multiple choice questions, and the short answers, 3 short answers, and the section 3 vocabulary, section D interference. Right? Only the medeka liyagannuko. Section A and section B. Write down these 2 questions. There are 3 to 5. 5 questions are there. Write quickly. Hello? Hello? என்னம்மா நீங்க அப்ப அதே அந்த அதிலே ஆஹா ஆஹா ஆ అదే అదే మోడల్‌లేయా? సరే పర్వాలేదమ్మా. సరే. హలో? போட்டி பரவாயில்ல. பரவாயில்ல. இல்ல, இல்ல. நீங்க சொல்றீங்க இன்னைக்கு காட்டுனதுலயா? இல்ல நான் சொல்றேன் அன்னைக்கு நீங்க வேலண்டைன் டேஸ்ல எடுத்துட்டு வந்ததுல ஒண்ணுமே நான் வல்லமே 37 தான் போடுறது.
Teacher, I have finished right. I wrote the questions, teacher. I have finished, madam.
Yes, done? Yes, Pate? Right. So, write down these.
Teacher, I can't hear you.
You have? Write down part C, section C and section D as well.
teacher.
Teacher, we can't hear you.
Seriously?
Your mic is.
Is that okay now?
Yeah.
Okay. Write down these two as well. Section C, section D. Once you complete your work, tell me quickly. When you have done, just let me know. I will give you the Right. I hope you guys have done your writing. Yes?
Can you wait a minute, teacher? I mean last.
Okay, right. Okay. You guys are ready?
Yeah.
Perfect. Right. Here, now, Ashen, Natisha, Lakmin, this is how this activity going to work. You have written the questions, you have read the questions. Now I'm going to read this listening script. So you have to listen and find the answers. Ready? You will have two listening, first reading and the second reading. I'm going to read it. I'm going to read it two times. Two times, only two times. Grade 4 and 5. 2 and 3, 4 and 5. For them, I read 3 times. But grade 6 onwards, I read only 2 times. Listen. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashen Jayawardena, and I joined this school at the beginning of this term. Previously, I studied in Anuradhapura, but my family relocated to Kandy due to my mother's transfer at work. Initially, adapting to a new environment was quite challenging. I had to adjust to different teaching styles, unfamiliar classmates, and a more demanding academic schedule. However, over the past few weeks, I have gradually become more comfortable. I have a strong interest in science and mathematics, particularly robotics and problem solving activities. Outside of school, I participate in swimming practice 3 times a week and occasionally volunteer at a local library. Although moving schools was not easy, I believe this experience has helped me become more independent and confident. Right, ending part of the first reading. I will give you 1 minute. If you have recognized the answer, you can write.
Teacher, in section C and D, can we write it by ourselves?
Yes, of course. Like section C
Okay.
and D. Yeah. So ending of this section, reading 1, I will give you 5 minutes. So if you have recognized the answer, you can write it. If you need more time, tell me. If not, we will go for the second reading.
I'm done.
If you need more time, is there anybody in the class who needs extra time? Is there anybody in the class who needs extra time? No. Second reading. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashen. My name is Ashen Jayawardhan. And I joined this school at the beginning of this term. Previously, I studied in Anuradhapura, but my family relocated to Kandy due to my mother's transfer at work. Initially, adapting to a new environment was quite challenging. I had to adjust to different teaching styles, unfamiliar classmates, and a more demanding academic schedule. However, over the past few weeks, I have gradually become more comfortable. I have a strong interest in science and mathematics, particularly robotics and problem-solving activities. Outside of school, I participate in swimming practice 3 times a week and occasionally volunteer at a local library. Although moving school was not easy, I believe this experience has helped me become more independent and confident. Got it? Got it? Yeah. Right. I hope you guys could understand the content and find the answers. We'll see. Why did Ashen move to Kandy? Matisha?
B, his mother received a job transfer.
B, his mother received a job transfer. Second question, I need the answer from Lakmin. What was challenging for him at first?
Adjusting to a new academic environment.
Very good. Adjusting to a new academic environment. Very good. Next one. Short answer. You have to provide the short answer. Which subject is he particularly interested in, Suvisna?
Robotics?
Particularly, yes. Robotics, no? Robotics. How often did he practice swimming, Rishini?
3 times a week.
3 times a week, correct. What personal qualities did he develop after moving school, Zain?
Independent and confident.
Independent and confident. Vocabulary in context. What does the word relocated most nearly mean, Zain? What do you mean by relocated?
He moved.
Okay, he migrate from one place to another. He shift from one place to another. What does gradually suggest about his adjustment? Gradually, Matisha?
That means becoming more comfortable with his new environment.
No. gradually, kramain, step by step, chutta chutta, right? Bit by bit, gradually. Do you think Ashen regret moving school? Give a reason from the passage. Suisna, do you think he regret about his migration? රිග්‍රෙට් කියන්නේ worry පුතේ. එයා worry වෙනවද එයා මේ change location එක change කරපු එක ගැන? Is he worrying about his movement?
No.
No. Why? What is the reason?
I don't know.
Because he became independent and his confidence increases, right? Increased. So he learned a lot from his from this migration. Because of that reason, he didn't worry about it. He didn't regret.
Only one
කනගාටු
more.
වෙන්නේ නැහැ. එයා කනගාටු වෙන්නේ නැහැ ගැන. අහන්නකෝ මෙන්න මෙතන මම පුතාලට දීලා තියෙනවා. සෙකන්ඩ් එක අපි ඊළඟ දවසේ කරමු. අපිට තව මේ ડોකියුමන්ට් එකේ තව තියෙනවා කරන්න. Still we have a lot to cover up this document. මේකේ ගොඩාක් පුතාලට මේ ඕන කරන ගොඩාක් දේවල් මම දාලා තියෙනවා. ඒකත් එක්කලා අවසානයේ finally I have included 15 words. මේ words ටික ලියලා මේ words ටික practice කරන්න. පුතාලට මේක තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් ලියාගෙන විතරක් එන්න. I'll explain next week. ඔයාලා මේක පොතේ ලියාගන්න. I will explain word by word next week. I share this document in LMS today or tomorrow. Most probably tomorrow I will share this document in LMS. Please take the notes. මේකේ තියෙන notes ගන්න print out එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන් නම් tute එකක් විදියට attach කරලා තියාගන්න. හරිම useful way. ගොඩාක් ඔයාලට useful expressions ගොඩාක් දාලා තියෙනවා. These days mostly I focus the speaking activity. අපි grammar, writing එක very recently we are going to touch that part as well. හරිද? God bless you. Good night.
Good night, teacher. Have a nice day.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, darling. You're welcome. Bye.
Have a nice day, teacher.
You too, baby. God bless you.